Say hello to the Samsung Galaxy A02s, an entry-level phone that aims to deliver a decent smartphone experience at a €150 price point. The Galaxy A20s is well made and feels good in the hand. It comes with a cable and a 15W charger, which is more than you get with a Galaxy S21 series phone these days. We do regret the omission of a case, but at these prices it's no surprise. The back of the phone has a stylish prism finish, which captures the light and reflects in different shades. It's also textured, which lends the phone a comfortable grip. The Galaxy A02s also has all the ports and controls you need: USB-C, 3.5mm headphone jack, a place for two separate SIM cards and a micro SD card for memory expansion. Not bad for €150. The Samsung Galaxy A02s shares an overall blueprint with the Galaxy A12 that we recently reviewed. That includes an identical 6.5-inch 720 by 1600 px PLS LCD, which we found adequate in our review. Its solid contrast of 1300 to 1 and good brightness of around 400 nits, 470 in max auto mode. What enabled Samsung to bring the price of Galaxy A02s even lower is the performance. The Snapdragon 450 runs a bit slowly at times and can get chalked up with some tasks. The somewhat limited 3GB of RAM don't help either. But we expect the target audience of this phone to not have many issue with the kind of performance these enable. What said target audience will appreciate is the 5000 mAh battery. That very same power pack got an impressive 123-hour endurance rating in our Galaxy A12 test with 31 hours of call time, 16 hours of browsing and 15 hours of video playback. We've started out review of the Samsung Galaxy A02s, so stay tuned for our findings.